The U.S. Railway Safety Act is a law and rights that have been bestowed on railroad workers by Congress within the past several years. Now, a railroad worker can't be fired as a result of having an accident on the railroad. The railroad has to pay for all treatment of a railroad worker if they're injured on the job. They cannot deny a railroad worker medical benefits, and if they do deny a railroad worker medical benefits or penalize the railroad worker in any way, you can sue under a separate statute called the U.S. Railway Labor Act, and you can include that statute within your personal injury action. And here at Hach Rose, we have several cases like that in suit in federal court.